So let's talk how people can wake up at 5 in the morning and go to work out. It's like 10:30. I can't even get out of this bed. Oh, I'm so lazy. How do I change my motivation to be more proactive? I don't know. I don't want to do anything. Okay, whatever. Let's go get a glass of water. Maybe it's hard to believe, but it's 11:20 and I'm still in bed. Okay, but now I finally awake. Oh, such a beautiful hair. So let's see if you can see it. 7205. Okay, terrible. OMG. 7205. Let's have a glass of water. Okay. Let's go make some water. So what I like in my water, it's lemon and mint. Okay, in. And then the other half, I'm actually will squeeze in. Then some good, nice, beautiful chunk of meat. And I'll add it to my water. Water. Okay, all the way. I finished my first glass of water. This is my breakfast. Look at this beautiful steam. Garlic, ginger, mushroom, tomatoes, 2 eggs. Today I'm going to work out. I promise. I'm going to work out. I'm going to work out. Shoes, tennis shoes. Tennis shoes. So the moment you bring your tennis shoes, think that you already did 50% of your workout. The hardest part is to put tennis shoes. Okay. So I think I need a little energizer. Whoop. Mix. The thing is with the energizer, if I don't go to work out, my body all itching. I'm going to be fire glue.
It is your lucky day because we are going to set your peaches on fire in 15 minutes. Welcome to Fire Glutes. 2 quick circuits. All you need is a good selection of challenging weights, some water. I've got light, medium, and heavy, and hopefully you've got a good attitude. You ready for this? Yeah. Let's do this. Got to get our bodies warm with a jog in 3, 2, and 1. Let's get the weight in the toes.
Oh my goodness.
What's that team again? Kaylee, we got her on our modification, so you want to keep the energy high, but take away all the impact. She's your girl. Dominique is going to be lifting the intensity, lifting a little bit heavier, making the moves a little more explosive and dynamic. My group in the back, we got Tony and Kiana, keeping it in the intermediate range with me. All right, guys, we're going into a lateral shuffle in 3, 2, and 1. Little reverse lunge, left leg steps back. Beautiful. All right, we're going to get a lot done in these 15 minutes. So just really focus on giving it everything we've got. Think about your alignment, your posture. Shoulders right over the hips. And try and get 90 degrees in your lunge. That means front thigh parallel to the floor and knee stacked right over the ankle. Beautiful. Let's do one more on each side. Beautiful. Last one, guys. Now feet a little wider than your shoulders. We're into our body weight squats. 3, 2, and 1. Hips sit down and back like you're sitting into a chair. There you go. Keep your chest up. Keep squeezing your abs. Very important anytime you're dropping into a squat or a lunge. This is going to help protect your lower back. Knees push in line with the toes. And you want to make sure to feel the weight pushing down through the heels.
This is a nightmare. I'm
It's
supposed
done.
to do it for a year.
Let's go 2 more. And then we're going to open up the hamstrings. Alternating
what?
toe taps. Just swing one leg at a time. And then a quick little step switch. Beautiful. All right, so here's what's going to happen. 2 identical strength circuits performed back to back. But on the second time around, we're just going to add a little bit more work time and a little less rest time. Okay? So circuit 1, 3 strength moves, followed by our fire finisher to spike the heart rate, keep you challenged, get you a little sweaty. And then quick transitions. 1 more each side. And we are ready to rock this. Okay, here we go. Move number 1, you need 1 heavy dumbbell. Meet us on option with Kaylee, a little lighter weight. If you need to go less, you can go heavier too. You guys ready? 30 seconds of work coming your way in 3, 2, and 1. We lift up, Big squeeze, and then down, down. Really keep abs squeezing nice and tight. And every single time you drive through your heels,
I can do that.
squeeze your glutes a little bit harder. And see if you can lift your hips higher every single rep. Now will be a good time as well to think about the weight you selected. It should feel like a challenging weight. And that way the next time you push play on this workout, you might be able to pick up something a little bit heavier, okay?
Maybe.
All right. It's such a great workout to stack with something else. You can do it by yourself or on its own. If you just need something quick and challenging. Last one, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. Core strong. You're gonna keep the same weight. Just gently rock yourself up. We're going into a sumo deadlift. Into a sumo deadlift in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Tipping forward. Long, strong, straight spine. Push the floor away. Squeeze the glutes. That's how we really activate more muscle fiber. And then one big squat. So we go down, down, up, down, and up. Beautiful. One more little tip here in our sumo squat is when you're dropping down, make sure the knees push away or push out in line with the toes. Beautiful. That's how you get a little bit more out of it. Keep perfect posture. Imagine your spine is strong and straight, so you stand tall and proud every single time you finish the rep. Let's go. One more, guys. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. Guys, we're going into our next move. We have a your medium weights. I'm holding on to some 15s.
15 is a medium.
Cool. It's called a floating lateral lunge. With both dumbbells, chest is lifted. Now, check this part out. Put all the body weight into the bent leg, and then you're gonna just simply skim the floor as lightly as possible with your straight leg. Then we perform it on the other side. Strong and a very, very light slide in.
It's a hard one.
All right, option, a little less weight, a little less range of motion.
Maybe a little bit.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Maybe.
Here we go. To
Not
the
man.
right. Lateral lunge in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now take your time here. Put the weight down into your right heel, and then slowly, with control, drag your feet back together. Drop, and then just a gentle brace. Right? This is how we get more work into the glute, into our weighted supporting leg right there. Beautiful.
This is a hard one, dude.
Awesome job. Take your time. You guys feel that working? Awesome. Keep squeezing out nice and tight.
You don't have to do this
Right
noise.
through
But
the heel of the bent leg. It's going to help you get the weight in all the right places. Whew. Easy. Last one. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1.
I think
Everyone,
we need
put your knees, push your weights down. We're going into our fire finisher, designed to spike your heart rate up. Looks like this. Put the weight in your left leg. Floating deadlift, and then sprint your knee. We got 30 seconds on each leg. Are you ready? You need to take it down, kickstand, and then just float the knee to the top. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Show the floor, and then power up, running arms. It's an athletic move, so just really go at your own pace. If you need to tap down in between, take the toe tap. Awesome. Now, if you want to add a little bit more intensity with Dominique, you can push off the floor a little bit bigger, explosive power, add a little speed as well. Come on, come on, come on. Last 10 seconds, and then we change legs.
Oh, thanks God.
Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Quickly change legs. Here we go. No rest, no rest, no rest. Awesome job.
Woo!
Challenge here was with your balance. You see that? That's normal. Do what you can do. Do your best. And then reset. And then drive up a little more. So we're pushing up a little bit. Keeping the hips square. Come on, team in the back. Kiana, how are you, babe? Fire up to the glutes. Supporting leg. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 2, 1 more, 1 more. Shake them out. Good job. How'd you do? How you feel? Good? Awesome. You know all the moves. All we're going to do next is take it back to the glute bridge. A little more work. Back to back to back. We're there for just under a minute each move.
Great.
Grab your heavy dumbbell and meet us on the mat.
On the mat.
A lot of heavy breathing back there. Good.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Quick recap. Firm grip on the dumbbell. Anchor the shoulders, hips, and heels. Core strong. Up and down. Are we ready? Here it comes.
Apparently.
3, 2, and 1. Lift the hips up, big squeeze, and then slow release back down. So if you want to take time anywhere, take time under tension. So take a little bit extra time at the top, squeeze, 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 and then slowly release back down. Beautiful. All right, now I'm going to see if we can lift a little bit higher. You want to come with me? Yes. Okay, let's do it a little higher. So get a little bit more that way, right? Little tip here, keep in mind knees should be traveling in line with the middle of your feet. So think second and third toe. Keep squeezing the abs tight. Come on, last 10 seconds. What can you give us? What can you give you? Come on, make it count. One more. 3, 2. Woo! You weren't expecting the last one, right? I like to surprise you. Hey, we're going back to the sumo deadlift, sumo squat. Keep the same weight, unless you want to go for a bigger weight with Dominique to challenge yourself. 1 hinge forward and 1 squat. And 3, 2, and 1. Deadlift now. Pull the shoulder blades back. Aim for mid shin. And then slowly lower the tailbone straight down to the ground. Boom. All right, we might be moving just a little bit faster on this side, on this circuit, because we know the move. We've got muscle memory. But really make it count. Take your time. And I just feel the muscles working, right? Focus on the glutes.
Definitely feel it.
As you push forward, okay, or hinge forward, push the floor away, squeeze the glutes, and then push the knees out of line to separate the floor on the way up. Yeah? So imagine you can separate the floorboards.
Oh my goodness.
Activate more muscle fiber that way. Can you guys feel that? You should feel the difference. Come on, stay in it. Core strong, chest up. 1 more beat. Let's go, let's go. Last squat. Woo! Yeah. Nice work.
Yeah.
Back to the loaded lateral lunge.
Oh
Loading,
no.
lateral lunge.
In the floor?
Grab your medium dumbbells.
Medium.
Place them by your sides. Shoulders back and down. Remember,
I'll do
all
like
body
a
weight
lunge.
is gonna be in your bent leg as you just simply graze the floor to step together. 3, 2, and 1. Stepping out to the right. Stay here. Push the weight down through the heel, and then just lightly drag it together. And again. Beautiful job. So take your time. Look at that little invisible slide. Okay?
Oh.
Just a little float.
Come on guys, if I can do it, you can do it.
Keep squeezing.
I'm a
out
lazy
steady.
chavita now.
Down.
72 kilograms.
Legs heel.
Think it's easy?
I know. How you doing, Tony?
Okay, we'll see one day 70.
You good, huh?
Hmm.
Come on. You got
Oh.
this. You're flying through. 1 more on each side.
Mm.
So we show our glutes love. Last one. All right, guys. Speaking of finishing, we're gonna finish it off with our fire finisher.
Fire.
Right here. Okay. What can you do to finish it a little stronger? Come on. Power through the very top. So I want to see athletic running arms as you explode off the floor. Come on, 15 seconds. Come on, you're crushing through too. Glutes on fire, lungs on fire. Give us 1 more. 3, 2, switch, go. Come on. We don't waste any time here. You gotta make every single second count. Yeah. Come on, hang in. The most powerful and amazing muscle group, our glutes. They get us through everyday life. This is how we give back. Come on, stay in it. Last 10 seconds. Be strong. Ah. One more. Yeah. You did it.
This is a nightmare.
You got some dynamite going off, and you're very well done. Peaches are well done. Let's move into a quick little stretch. Don't go anywhere. Come on. Awesome. Pull your knees together. Push your hips forward. Are you breathing heavy? I hope so.
Yeah.
It did go by fast. All right. When you're ready for it, find your balance. Figure 4 stretch. So just go ahead and cross the right ankle over the left knee. Flex the foot. If you need to find support for balance, that's cool too. Give a chair, a wall, a friend. Beautiful. All right, next up, foot goes crossed. She's gonna step forward, flex the foot, push the hips back to get a nice long opening through the hamstring. You did such a great job today.
Thank you.
You feel that?
Yeah, I'm all with you.
Awesome. Okay, let's switch. Quad stretch, other side, pull the knees together, and then push the hips forward. You'll feel a difference. Big breaths. Ooh, I feel my heart racing too. That's a good feeling. Next up, figure four. Here we go. Cross, flex, and then just sit down into it. Whatever your body's telling you right now, tune into it, listen. So you can sit down a little bit deeper. You know,
We did it.
flexibility, I'm so in awe.
Just 16 minutes.
Gianna's.
That's all I can do right
Such
now.
beautiful flexibility. All right, hamstrings are next.
Oh.
Take the heel forward, flex your foot, and then really push your hips back to get into it. Big breaths. See what you can do in 15 minutes?
Yeah, I can do 15
You
minutes.
just have to make the time. We always have time for the things we put first, and you're the only one that can make the decision to prioritize your workout.
So true.
Yeah, and not
But
everybody
I'm
has that
crazy.
chance, so.
One day I'll ever show you. Six pack, six pack, six pack. I'm not there yet. Should we do a little bit stretches like Pilates? Let's do that.